Hi, I'm the little prince. I came back to Earth and tried to see and discover everywhere. I am in Tehran now. I am the little prince of Persia. Let's go. In 1977, engineer Jamshid Dolo, one of the Qajar princes, gifted the land of this park to Queen Farah Pahlavi. She ordered this place be used as a nursing home and a park for the public of Tehran. If you walk in Jamshidiyeh Park, you will see trees standing very tall around the roads. Everyone who sees trees is amazed at their height, but no one sees time. Do you know how long it took for these trees to grow so tall? You have to be patient to grow taller.